Hey, this is John Lynch for Fox Sports, coming to you from St. Louis as we get ready for the NFC West matchup between the Seattle Seahawks, who sit at 2-1, and the St. Louis Rams at 1-2. Now, for the St. Louis Rams, the question is, are they going to be able to field a team? They are so banged up. They only had 44 players healthy on Friday's practice. The two main players in question, their two captains. Running back Steven Jackson and their safety O.J. Atagwe are questionable game-time decisions as we go into this NFC West matchup. For Seattle, Pete Carroll has brought an incredible amount of energy and passion to this franchise. They don't feel like they've hit stride in terms of playing their best football, but they sit at 2-1. This NFC West is wide open with the San Francisco 49ers at 0-3, and they seem to be everyone's favorite coming into the year. This should be a great game in St. Louis. St. Louis is fired up. This town is fired up about their young rookie quarterback, Sam Bradford. Should be a great showdown. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we call this game.